A fantastic morning, my dear children. Welcome to our class. Before that, stay home, stay safe. Today, we're going to see grade 6 maths section 18. In that section, we're going to see our continuation topic only, geometry exercise 4.2, 10th sum. Now, children, before the 10th sum, we're going to complete our book exercise, that is for 9th sum. See here, identify the types of angles shown by the hands of the given clock. Okay va? So what they are saying means, இந்த arrow பார்த்துக்கணும் அப்படின்னா அது மீன் நம்ம கிளாக் பார்க்கும்போது சின்ன முள் பெரிய முள்ளுன்னு சொல்லுவோம்ல. ஸோ அந்த பெரிய முள் தான் இப்போ நம்ம மெஷர் பண்ண போகிற ஆங்கிள். ஓகேவா? ஸோ இந்த ஆங்கிள் டிபெண்ட் பண்ணி we going to say this is for which angle. Okay, first before that we going to use the protector because protector use பண்ணாத this one is the which angle we know. Okay, then only we going to say the angle name. I am right, children? Now first one, see here. Okay, this is for the protector. I am going to use in that center point. No, I am going to keep my protector center point. Okay, so I am keeping here means, okay, this one for which degree ma? What degree ma? 180 degree. Okay, this is for left side or right side? Of course, right side only. Right side above 90 degree means what angle? Obtuse angle. Above 90 degree means obtuse angle. Okay, now next sum. See here, second sum. That is for 12. Okay, 12 o'clock. I am right. So in that see here, இந்த சென்டர் பாயிண்டில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா சின்ன முள் பெரிய முள் ரெண்டுமே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரே இதில் இருக்குது. ஓகேவா? ஸோ இங்கே நம்ம கிளாக்கில் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஜீரோன்றது கிடையாது. ஸோ இங்கே தான் என்ன பண்ணுறோன்னா ரெண்டுமே ஒரே இடத்துல மீட் பண்ணுது. ஓகே, தே கோயிங் டு மீட் ஈச் அதர் இன் சேம் பிளேஸ். தட் இஸ் மீன்ஸ் we going to say zero angle. That is we going to say zero angle. Okay, now third one see, ரெண்டுமே எப்படி இருக்கு? ஆப்போசிட்டில் இருக்குது. ரெண்டுமே எப்படி இருக்குது? ஆப்போசிட்டில் இருக்குது. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் ஃபார் ஸ்ட்ரைட் ஆர் கிராஸ் லைன். both it's a straight line only. So this is a straight angle. Okay, this is for a straight angle. Okay, children, now next one, see the clock here. See, okay, now see the side of the angle. Okay, I'm going to keep the protector here. Okay, I'm going to keep the center point. This clearly show you or not, I don't know. See here. Okay, so this side only is coming almost, that is for the 40 degree. Okay, wow, 40 degree. So this is one for which angle? 90 degree less only. 90 degree less means what angle? Acute angle. Okay, children, now next one, see here, you're going to keep your protector in center point. That is a straight line. Straight line means what angle? 90 degree. Straight line means 90 degree. 90 degree means right angle. 90 degree means right angle. Okay, children, are you clear this one? Now we going to start with our note work. 10th sum. Find the complementary angle of. Okay, they given some angles. In that angle we going to convert to the complementary angle. Complementary angle means what? Two angles we going to add or we going to subtract means the final answer is 90 degree or 90 degree below means that is only we going to say complementary angle. Okay, first one, see 30 degree. Okay, in that 30 degree I already saw this sum. Okay, see here, 30 degree complementary, because the question also complementary angle only. So complementary angle of 30 degree is, complementary angle means what? How many angles? 180 degree or 90 degree? 90 degree. 90 degree minus 30 degree equal to 60 degree. So 30 degree 60 degree add panna 90 degree varudha. So this is the complementary angle. 30 degree is the complementary angle. Now 26 degree. 26 degree means complementary angle of 26 is 90 degree minus 26 degree equal to 64 degree. Now we are going to add 64 plus 26 means 90 varum. Okay, are you clear children? Now 85 degree. Complementary angle of 85 degree is 90 degree minus 85 degree equal to 5 degree. Okay children, now 85 degree plus 5 degree means answer 90 degree only. எப்படி வந்தாலும் இந்த மைனஸ் பண்ணி வர ஆன்சரும் நம்ம கொடுத்துருக்க கொஷினையும் ஆட் பண்ணும்போது we going to add to this 2 means that answer is 90 degree. So 90 degree வந்தாலே அது என்னது complementary degree. Now 0 degree. Complementary angle of 0 is 90 degree minus 0 degree equal to 90 degree. 90 degree. Complementary angle of 90 degree is 90 degree minus 90 degree equal to 0 degree. Compulsory, note this point. When we have an angle, however we need to go to reach the right angle is called complementary angle. Already I said you 2 angles. Okay, 2 angle அது எந்த angle இருந்தாலும் okay. Which angle we going to take? Any 2 angle. In that 2 angle we going to add means the answer is 90 degree. That means right angle means that is the complementary angle. That is the complementary angle. Are you clear children? Now next one is the 11th question. That is find the supplementary angle of. Okay, supplementary angle of. Supplementary means some 90 degree or 180 degree. Yes, of course 180 degree. Okay children. Okay, now the question is 70 degree. Supplementary angle of 70 degree is 180 degree minus 70 degree equal to 110 degree. Now we are going to add 70 plus 110. If you are going to add means the answer is 180 only. If you are going to add these two numbers, you can get the answer 180 degree means that is the supplementary angle. That is the supplementary angle. The second question is 35 degree. Okay, supplementary angle of 35 degree is 180 degree minus 35 degree equal to 145 degree. Like that they given 5 angles. Okay, here also some important points they given. However, we should go in the same direction to reach the straight angle, that is 180 degree is called supplementary angle. எந்த 2 degree நம்ம ஆட் பண்ணா straight angle வந்துச்சுன்னா straight angle means 180 degree. If the answer is 180 degree means that is only we going to call the supplementary angle. That is only we going to call the supplementary angle. Now 12th question. Find the supplementary and complementary angles in each case. Okay, we going to find out this. They given the 4 figures here. In that 4 figures we going to find out the next part of the angle value. Okay, first question. In that diagram only they given in our book also. Okay, A, B, C and D. D, B, C. The angle is 25 degree. 25 degree. They asking this side what angle. So they given the straight line. Straight line means what angle? Straight line means 180 degree only. Okay, if 2 angles add to 180 degree, they are called supplementary. Already I said no, ரெண்டு டிகிரியோட வேல்யூவை ஆட் பண்ணா 180 டிகிரி வந்துச்சுன்னா that is only we going to see that is only we going to say supplementary angle. Okay, here also the same method only. Okay va? So DBC, otherwise CBD, the angle of DBC or CBD is equal to 25 degree. We need now angle of ABD, otherwise angle of DBA. Okay va, rendu name irukku இந்த angle. So we need this part. How many angles we want to find out? This angle side only. Are you clear children? Now angle of DBA equal to, okay, this is for straight line. Straight line means straight angle means how many degree? 180 degree. 180 degree. So 180 degree minus in the straight line remaining part they given, no? So how many? 25 degree. So 180 degree minus 25 degree equal to 155 degree. So supplementary angle of DBA equal to 155. So this part, okay, this part value is 155 degree. Okay, now you can go and add 155 plus 25. What is the answer? 155 plus 25. 5 5 10. 5 plus 2 7, remaining 1 is there, no? 8. So 180 degree vandicha. So this is we going to say it is complementary or supplementary? Complementary. Second one, see, in that they given one straight angle, correct? Straight means right angle. ஸ்ட்ரைட் லைன் வந்துருச்சுனாலே இங்கே என்ன ஆயிரும்? அது ரைட் ஆங்கிள். ஏன்னா பாதி பொசிஷன் தான் இருக்குது. திஸ் இஸ் த ஃபுல் பொசிஷன். Okay, here half position only they given. Half means 180 degree, half evlo 90 degree. If two angles add up to 90 degree, they are complementary. Okay, நமக்கு இப்போ complementary தெரிஞ்சிச்சு. First, what part we know, that one we going to write first. Okay, now angle of CBD equal to 30 degree. Angle of CBD equal to 30 degree. Now we need angle of DBA. This part only we need, because this part they not at all given the angle. Okay, now we going to find out this part only. So angle of DBA equal to, this is right angle. Right angle means 90 degree. 90 degree minus, already we know that 30 degree. 30 degree equal to, what is the answer? 60 degree. So angle of DBA, the value is 60 degree. Now also you going to add this number, 60 degree plus, already we given, no, 30 degree. If you are going to add, means the answer is 90 degree. Okay children, now see here they given here also one pic here. See here, this part only we going to find out now. Okay, first part, angle of DBC. Okay, before that, இந்த லைன் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த லைனில் எத்தனை பாயிண்ட்ஸ் இருக்குது? 1 2 3. ஸோ 3 பாயிண்ட்ஸ். ஆல்மோஸ்ட் திஸ் இஸ் ஃபார் த ஸ்ட்ரைட் ஆங்கிள் ஒன்லி. ஸ்ட்ரைட் ஆங்கிள் மீன்ஸ் 180 degree. Straight angle means 180 degree. Okay, okay, first what part we know? First we going to write that one. Angle of DBC equal to 67 degree. Now we know that we were going to find out this part only. Okay, so angle of CBE equal to how much? That is only we going to find out. Okay, so angle of CBE equal to 180 degree minus 67 degree. 180 degree minus 67 degree equal to 113 degree. So if you are going to add 113 plus 67, we going to add, means the answer is 180. The answer is 180. Okay, so this angle part is 113 degree. 113 degree. Okay, now fourth question. See here, this is 90. Okay, don't see here. You can say this is 90 degree or 180 degree. Here they give half part or full part. Oh yeah, correct. Half part only they given. Okay, see here, எந்த straight line 3 points இல்லை, இங்கே 2 points இருக்குது, இங்கே 2 points இருக்குது, இங்கே 2 points இருக்குது. So this is for complementary. Complementary means 90 degree only. Okay children, in that 90 degree they given one part value. We going to find out that this part value only. Okay, now angle of CBD equal to 46 degree. CBD oda value enna? 46 degree. Now we want to find out the angle of DBA. DBA, how many angles are there? We are going to find out that only. So angle of DBA equal to 90 degree minus 46 degree equal to 44 degree. So complementary angle of DBA equal to 44 degree. 44 degree. That's all children. Exercise 4.2. Now we are going to start exercise 4.3. Now children, before we going to start with our new exercise, in that previous exercise, exercise 4.2, two objective types questions is there. Okay, see the first question. If this figure, which is not the correct way of naming an angle. Okay, so here they given the pic here. Okay, in that picture they given the angle name also here. In that angle name, which one is the wrong answer? We are going to find out. Already I took the B. How I am saying the B means, if the center point also we are going to say angle of Y. So this is correct. Okay. Now angle of XYZ. So XYZ also correct. Angle of ZYX also correct. But angle of ZXY is the wrong answer, because here in that picture this is the middle point. However, we are going to write Y only is the middle point, but here they mention X, so this is wrong. Okay, this is wrong name. Okay, ZXY is the wrong name for this picture. Okay, wrong angle name. Okay, wow. Now for next question. In that figure, angle of AYZ is equal to 45 degree. AYZ வந்து 45 degree. If the point A is shifted to the point B, A இங்கிருந்து இங்க போயிடுச்சுன்னா along the ray, okay, then the measure of BYZ என்னன்னு கேக்குறாங்க. ஓகே, இதே ஸ்ட்ரைட் லைன் வந்து சேஞ்ச் ஆகலை, பட் திஸ் ஸ்ட்ரைட் லைன் angle of AYZ is 45 degree. Suppose the A point they going to shift to the B place, means if any changes is there, no, அப்பையும் நம்மளோட ப்ரொடக்டர் வச்சு பாயிண்ட் பண்ணோன்னா அதோட வேல்யூ எவ்வளோ தான் இருக்குமா? 45 degree. 45 degree is the same value only. Here also same and then here also same. Okay children, now we are going to start with our new exercise. In that exercise, before we are going to see some important points. Okay, in that chapter we are going to see points and lines. Points and lines. I am going to say simply here some important points only I am going to say now. When we have a line, we can mark a point on the line or not on it. Okay, so see here, this is the line. Okay, in that line name is L1. In that line name itself, I am going to mention the point of A. A is on L1. That what is the meaning? A is on L1. L1 point le A, L1 line le A என்ற point இருக்கு. Okay, see here, they given the L2 line, but point B L2 line la irukka? No, this is not in a line. Okay, see here, B may be closer or far away. இது வந்து L2 லைனுக்கு கொஞ்சம் க்ளோஸரா இருக்கும், இல்லை இல்லாமே இருக்கலாம். Okay, both of the line L1 and L2. L1 க்கு கிட்ட இல்லை, L1 ல இல்லை, L2 ல this is not have. Okay, however, when any two points are given, okay, there is a escape one line passing through them. Okay, take several pairs of the points and verify it is true or not. Okay, wow. Say they given the some instruction. You itself do some verification like that they said. Okay, இந்த பாயிண்ட்ல L1ன்ற லைன்ல Aன்ற பாயிண்ட் இருக்குது, L2ன்ற லைன்ல Bன்ற பாயிண்ட் இல்லை. Okay, it is not there in L2 or L1, whatever. ஓகேவா? Next, what about 3 points on line? They given the 3 points. Okay, L1, L2, L3, L4. Okay, L3, L4. Okay, see here, very important in that chapter. When all the 3 points are on the line, they are special. In that 4 lines, which one is the 3 points in your line? L4 only. So this is the special line. Such we going to call this line as a collinear point. We going to call this line as the collinear point. When three point in same line, that is we going to say that name is collinear point. Okay, now see this one, A, B, L3 line itself is there, but C is not near L3 line. So it is not collinear point. It is not a collinear point. Are you clear, children? Okay, now next we going to see the concurrency and point of concurrent. Okay, we going to see. See here, two intersecting lines cut a point. Will 3 lines intersect at a 1 point? Help you to the answer. So, okay, here they are given the picture. In that picture we want to explain. Okay, see here, L1 line, L2 line, L3 line. Okay, L2, L3 and L4 also, sorry, L3 also in same. எப்படியாவது ஒரு இடத்துல 3 லைனும் என்ன ஆகுதுன்னா கனெக்ட் ஆகுது. ரெண்டு லைன் கனெக்ட் ஆகுது, பட் ஒரு லைன் கனெக்ட் ஆக முடியல. சி இயர் L2வும் L3யும் கனெக்ட் ஆகிடுச்சு இந்த இடத்துல. ஓகே, பட் இங்கே L1 இல்லை. ஐம் ரைட் சில்ட்ரன். ஹியர் L1 L2, பட் இங்கே L3 இல்லை. L1 L3, இங்கே L2 இல்லை. ஸோ இது வந்து 2 பாயிண்ட்ஸ் தான் கனெக்ட் ஆகிருக்கு. ஸோ இட் இஸ் what line? It is what line? See here, when many lines intersecting at single point, that is again special. We call that point P as point of concurrency. The line are called concurrent line. Okay, so it is not a concurrency line. Okay, நம்ம சொல்லிருந்தோம் இங்க ஆல்ரெடி. ஓகேவா, 3 point in same line means that is a collinear point. Okay, here many lines. Okay, many lines they going to meet each other. இங்கே இந்த லைன் எல்லா லைனும் இந்த பாயிண்ட்ல மீட் ஆகுது. This point we going to call the P point. Okay, so this part also one of the special line only. In that point, how we going to say point of concurrency? The lines we going to call the concurrent line. The lines we going to call the concurrent line. Okay, in that chapter we going to write some important points also in your note. Points and lines. Given any 2 points, there is a unique line passing through them. Any 2 points, they passing in same line. That is how we going to say points and lines. Okay, when 3 points on a line, that they are said to be collinear. 3 points ஒரே லைன்ல இருந்துச்சுன்னா that is we going to call the collinear. If any 1 point not in a line, okay va, so ஒரு லைன்ல whatever the line name, here I am going to mention L1. In that line, any 2 point A, B, they going to pass. Okay, so that is a point and line. When 3 point, okay, in that line 3 point they going to meet each other, A, B, C. So this is we going to say the collinear point. If any 1 point not in a line, so I draw the line here L1, A in line, B also in line, C is here. So C point is not in a line, so it is like we going to call the non-collinear. When 2 lines meet each other at 90 degree, at the point of the intersection, they are called perpendicular line. Already you people are know very well the perpendicular line, 90 degree. Okay va? When 3 or more line pass through the same point, they are said to be concurrent. The point is called a concurrency line. Okay, more than 3 line, 3 or more than 3 line, they going to meet each other. In the point la போய்ட்டு meet பண்றாங்க அப்படினா, that is we going to say the point of concurrency. In that line we going to say the concurrent line. Children, exercise 4.3 in the text is very easy, very simple. Observe the diagram and fill in the blanks. Okay, they given one diagram. In that diagram on itself, they are going to ask some question. A, O and B are the dash point. A, O, B. 3 itself same line. So same line means that is a collinear point. Okay, that is a collinear point. Collinear point means 3 points in same line means that is we going to call the collinear point. This is under book exercise. Okay, now A, O, C are the dash point. A, O, C. C is the same line or another line. C is the another line. So it is collinear point. No, it is non-collinear point. Okay, non-collinear point. Are you clear, children? Now third one. A, B, C are dash point. A, B, C. So different point only. Okay, B is another line only. Okay, so this also non-collinear. Okay, you want to write this and all in your book. Okay, after the school reopening, I am going to check all your books. Okay, now dash is a point of concurrency. What is the meaning of concurrency? The center point only, point of concurrency. Which one is the center point here? O. So O is the point of concurrency. Okay, now second question. Draw a line and mark any 3 point of the collinear. Okay, this one for book note exercise. Okay, now see second question. Draw any line and mark any 3 point of the collinear. Okay, any 3 point of the collinear point draw பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்க. அதுல 3 point click பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்க. So I already draw one line. That line name is L1. Okay va? L1 line I already draw. Okay, I draw one line. In the line itself I am going to mark any 3 point. Point A, point B, point C. That's all. Easy, no? Now next one. Draw any line and mark any 4 points that are not collinear. Draw a line. Okay, so I draw one line here. Okay, in that line itself I any 3 point, any 4 point, but it is not a collinear. 4 point வைக்க சொல்லிருக்காங்க. ஆனா அது collinear இருக்க கூடாது, not collinear இருக்கணும். Okay, so point A, B, C, this is the collinear point. Not collinear point means D வந்து next line போயிடுச்சு. Almost same this diagram. A, O, B, C is the next line. So same method only I draw here also. Are you clear, children? Now draw any 3 lines to have a point of concurrency. 3 line draw பண்ணிட்டு concurrency point mark பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்க. Okay va? So I draw L1, L2, L3. L1, L2, L3 are the concurrent line. Okay, I draw the concurrent line. Now what is the point of concurrency here? 3 lines where they going to meet each other, that is only we going to call the concurrency point. Here which one is the concurrency point? O is the concurrency point. O is the point of concurrency. Now next one. Draw any 3 lines that are not concurrent. Find the number of points of intersection. Okay, any 3 line. So this line and this line. 3 line I draw. Okay, in that 3 line not a concurrent. Okay, not a concurrent னது அது ஒரே இடத்துல மீட் ஆகாது. So point of concurrency is not there. Okay, so L1, L2, L3, 3 lines I draw. So L1 and L3 ஓட point of concurrency என்னது? A. Here point of concurrency B. Here point of concurrency C. That means இந்த ரெண்டு லைன் எங்க மீட் ஆகுது, இந்த ரெண்டு லைன் எங்க மீட் ஆகுது, இந்த ரெண்டு லைன் எங்க மீட் ஆகுது. So here the point of intersection. So A, B and C are the 3 points of intersection. That's all, children. Geometry note work. Remaining everything is a book work only. Okay, now see take your book, page number 84. Page number 84, exercise 4.4 is book work only. Okay, before that we going to complete our exercise 4.3 objective type question. Okay, a set of collinear point in the figures are set of collinear point. Okay, collinear point means they going to meet 3 lines in same. Okay, so எங்க 3 lines same இருக்குது பாருங்க. இந்த கொடுத்திருக்க ஆப்ஷன்ல A, B, C. ஓகே, A, B, C கிடையாது, 3 லைன் ஒரே லைனில் இல்லை. ஓகேவா, நெக்ஸ்ட்டு BCD. BCD, no. Now ACD, ACD, no. So AFC, AFC, 3 points in same line, I am right. So in the option correct, ma'am. Idu kuda thana ma'am correct, but that option is not have here. Okay, why? Kuduthirukka option la edu correct nu namu kandupidikkanum. So AFC is a correct answer. A set of non-collinear point in the figure. Non-collinear na line la illadadhu kuduthirukka option la. AFC, AFC is a collinear. BFD, BFD is a collinear because same line. EFG, EFG also same line, that is also collinear. ADC, ADC, it is not a collinear because one line la adu illa, okay va. So ADC the collinear. A point of concurrency in the point. Concurrency means what? Ella line meet agara edam edu? F. Okay, F is the correct answer. Now exercise 4.4. This is the book work only, everything. Okay, now see. Find the types of lines. Mark the thick line, okay, parallel, intersecting or perpendicular line. We are going to find out. Thick line vechi idu parallel line la, intersecting line la, perpendicular line. What that line name? We are going to find out. Okay. Now see the thick line. This is the thick line. Thick line. Okay. So this line is what line ma? Parallel line. Parallel line means they are going to meet each other. They are going to meet each other, but the distance is the same. But the distance is the same. Already I said, you know what is the meaning of parallel line means. You you already written your note also, geometry note also. Okay. What is the meaning of parallel line? The line that go on forever on each other side without meeting each other. Okay va, இந்த ரெண்டு லைனும் எங்கேயுமே மீட் ஆகாது, but the distance is equal. But the distance is equal. That is we going to call the parallel line. Next, thick border. Thick line இங்க பாருங்க. This is the thick line. This is also. Okay. So the distance is same. The distance is same அதா இருக்கும். So we going to say this is the parallel line. Next one they given the scissor. Okay, in that thick line, here in that line only they mention. So here one center point is there. Center point means that is the intersecting line. When any three numbers of line cross to each other, so in the ரெண்டு line இந்த இடத்துல cross பண்ணுது, உன்னோட ஒன்று meet பண்ணுது, they going to meet each other. So that is when we going to say intersecting line. In the diagram no perpendicular line. Okay children, now next one. Find the parallel and intersecting line segment on the picture given below. We want to write the parallel line and intersecting line. Okay, we want to write this according to our picture. Okay, first parallel line. Parallel line na two lines, AB and DC. இங்க பாருங்க, AB DC. Okay, line segment நால dash தான் போடணும், arrow போடக்கூடாது. Now ADBC. ADBC. Okay, now DCH, DCHG. Okay, now ADEF, EH. Okay, now AEDH, now DHCG. So this and all parallel line. Parallel line means they never going to meet each other, but the distance is equal. Okay, so these are the parallel lines. Now intersecting line means they going to meet each other. I am right. Okay, see here AB, AE, AD, AB, AD, sorry, AD, AE. So this and all they going to meet each other. ஆமாவா, இது each other na இதோட center point என்னது A. Okay va. Now next one, DA, DH, DC. Okay va. Now next one, CB, CD, CG. Now H, HD, HE, HG. Okay va. Next E, EA, EH, EF. Okay va. So these are the intersecting line. Now next one, name the following angle as shown in the figure. Okay, first one angle of 1. Angle of 1 oda name enna? Angle of CBD, otherwise angle of DBAC. ரெண்டு நேம் இருக்குது. ஓகேவா? now angle of 2. angle of 2 என்னது? angle of DBE, otherwise EBD. okay children, now angle of C. C oda name enna? angle of EBA, otherwise angle of ABE. okay now angle of 1 plus angle of 2, இது ரெண்டோட நேம், ரெண்டே ஆட் பண்ணோம். ஸோ angle of CBE, otherwise angle of EBC. now 2 3 angle of DBA, otherwise angle of ABD. now 3 itself angle of CBA, otherwise angle of ABC. okay va? clear? now next question. Measure the angle of the given figure using protractor and identify the types of angles as acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle or straight angle. okay, we want to use the protractor here. okay in that picture, okay, I am going to keep my protractor here and center point also I am going to keep here. okay, straight how many what angle is there? You can measure and tell me what is there straightly? 90 degree. so 90 degree. 90 degree means what angle? Right angle. 90 degree means right angle. now next one, you also use the protractor and write. okay, see, keep the center point here. so see here 40 க்கு 50 க்கு சென்டர்ல இருக்கு. ஓகேவா? so 45 is the above below 90 only. below 90 means acute angle. below 90 means acute angle. now next one, see here straight line. straight line means 180 degree straight angle. now next one, see here, keep your center point here. okay, now you can check it. see here 100 க்கும் 110 க்கும் சென்டர்ல இருக்கு. this is the center means 105. so 105, it is above 90 only. so obtuse angle. so it is the obtuse angle. now fifth question, from the pictures given below, classify the following pairs of the angles into complementary and non-complementary. if here two angles they given, each pictures they given the two angles. in the two angles, if you are going to add, the answer is 90 degree means that is the complementary, because complementary angle means 90 degree only. if the answer is not 90 degree means that is non-complementary angle. okay, first one, see 45 degree. if you are going to add 45 degree plus 45 degree means the answer is 90 degree. so it is a complementary angle. okay, now second question, 25 degree. if you are going to add 25 degree plus 25 degree means that the answer is 50 degree. the answer is not equal to the 90 degree. so it is not a complementary degree. okay, so now next one, 75 degree plus 105 degree. what is the answer? 180 degree. so it is not a complementary degree, because complementary degree means 90 only. it is not equal to the 90 degree. so this is also not a complementary angle. now next one, 38 degree plus 52 degree. the answer is 90 degree. so it is equal to the 90 degree. it is equal to the 90 degree. so first one and fourth one is the right answer. first one and fourth one is the complementary angle. second one and third one is the non-complementary angle. okay children, now next question, from the figure given below, classify the following pairs of the angles into supplementary and non-supplementary. first we saw the complementary. now we are going to see the supplementary means 180 degree. if the two angles we are going to add, the answer we are going to get 180 degree means that is the supplementary angle. okay, here see 30 degree plus 120 degree. The answer is 150 degree. So it is not equal to the 180 degree. So this is not a supplementary. Okay, now 85 degree, okay, plus 95 degree. The answer is 180 degree. So it is equal to the 180 degree. So this picture we are going to say it is a supplementary. Okay, now for second one, 120 degree plus 110 degree equal to, what is the answer? 230 degree. So it is not equal to the 180 degree. So this is not a supplementary. Okay, now next one, 150 degree plus 30 degree equal to 180 degree. So it is equal to the 180 degree. So it is a supplementary. So second and fourth only supplementary angle. Supplementary angle. Okay. First one and third one is a non-supplementary angle. Are you clear, children? Seventh question. From the figure, name a pair of a complementary angle. Name a pair of a supplementary angle. Okay, we are going to mention the name of complementary angle and supplementary angle. Complementary angle means when two angles we are going to add, the answer is 90 degree, means that is a complementary angle. Now see, angle of FAE, this one angle, EAD. So this one angle, if you get these two angles we are going to add, means the answer is 90 degree. When two angles we are going to add, the answer is 90 degree, means that is a complementary angle. So angle of FAE and angle of EAD is the 90 degree. So it is a complementary angle. Name a pair of the supplementary angle. Supplementary angle means 180 degree. When we are going to add the two angles, we are going to get 180 degree, means that is the supplementary angle. Okay, children, now for you, see here, this is straight line. So this is a supplementary angle, FAC. So this is straight line. Okay, 180 degree means straight line only. Okay, now see, angle of FAD. Okay, now angle of DAC. So if you are going to add FAD and DAC, the answer is 180 degree. Okay, so this one is a straight angle. Again see, EAB, this is also straight angle only. So angle of EAD and angle of DAB. Okay, DAB, that is also 180 degree. Okay, now angle of EAC and the angle of CAB. Angle of CAB. Now angle of EAF. Okay, EAF and the angle of FAB. Okay, in the straight line which இப்படியும் பார்க்கலாம், இப்படியும் பார்க்கலாம். So the answer is 180 degree. That's all, children, our geometry exercise. Next we are going to see our new chapter, chapter 5. Okay, before that you have some homeworks. What are the homeworks we are going to see now? Now children, your homework is exercise 4.2 10th sum and points and lines 6 points are given. After that exercise 4.3 second sum, third sum, fourth sum, fifth sum. Totally 7 sums. See and write your geometry note. After that you want to write exercise 4.4 everything. See and write your book itself. Okay, my dear children, thank you.